What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time right now, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, as you can see on my screen, I'm going to talk about my software biz. I want to show you how you can double your money with this system. It pays out $200 commissions over and over and over instantly, any way you want. Okay, so call this number. Check it out, 239-579-3543. Now check it out. We have right here, I want to show you this new little snippet video because this is a marketing system, brand new marketing system for MSB, my software business. Go to my website, www.mobilemarketing.ws. Get this system so you can promote your My Software business. Check this 60-second video out.
Can you imagine how much simpler and more enjoyable life would be if you could learn how to effortlessly make money using the internet? Did you know that there are people just like you making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars every year, and all they do is sell other people's products online? There's no better way to take control over your own human experience than by taking control over your money. And with My Software Business, we help you do exactly that. All you have to do is share a phone number with others who want to make money online, and our powerful AI text messaging sales assistant makes $200 sales for you 24/7. You've never seen an easier and faster way to make money, so get started today. MySoftwareBusiness.com. Let technology set you free.
Now, isn't that awesome? So you have this 60-second little video, right, on this sales page. Okay, check this out. It's very nice. Then you come down, and this is the actual video that the company put together. My Software Business is 9-minute video. So this one right here will kind of entice folks. Then they'll go down here and check this one out. And they have your phone number on the page. Okay, is that cool or what? If you want a system like this, go to www.mobilemarketing.ws. Get this system, guys. Now, let me show you how you can double your money with this thing, making $200 over and over and over. So, check this out. All right, check it out. It's not hard to figure out. It's not complicated, any of that. Now, with My Software Business, MSB, you pay $200 over and over, right? Now, they have the 1-up comp plan incorporated in this, which is going to give you leverage, okay? So you can make more commissions. I know some people are like, oh, I don't like the 1-up, but check it out. This is how you're going to double your money, okay? So let's say, so you have your direct sales, okay? And I've kind of drawn this out so you can kind of visualize what I'm talking about. So say I sign up Jim. I've already passed up my second sale. So see, your first sale you'll keep. Let's talk about that. When you promote the phone number or the website, your first sale you're going to keep. So you're getting your money back. Let me move this over a little bit. You get your $200 back on your first sale. You break even. Okay? It's $250 to get in this business. It's very affordable. Okay? So first sale, you get $200, you pocket it. You got your $200 back. Your second sale, you're going to pass up to your sponsor, right? So let's say I've already done that, right? So I sign up Jim, I make $200. I sign up Tom, I make $200. I sign up Mike, I make $200. I sign up Larry, I make $200. I sign up Brian. I'm just going to use 5, right? So right there, that's $1,000, right? I pocket it. But guess what? Each one of them owe me their second sale, right? So let's say Jim passed up his second. That's another $200 from Jim. Okay, so in essence, I'm making $400 off of Jim. But that created a whole nother pay line for me, okay, without me doing anything but signing him up one time. Okay, let's back it up. I sign up Jim. I get $200 from Jim. Jim goes out and he makes his first sale. He pockets $200. Now his second sale passes up to me. So that second sale person comes up, but guess what? They owe me their second also. Okay, that's a whole nother level. But I want you to see that each one of these people, Jim, Tom, Mike, Larry, and Brian, they all owe me their second sale. So off of my efforts, I've made $1,000 because I made $200 off of each one of them, right? Then each one of them, same people, owe me their second. So guess what? That's another $1,000 that I had nothing to do with. Okay, and this just keeps repeating over and over. So you may want to red ball this back and listen to this again. Okay, it's just that simple, guys. Everybody you sign up, you make 200. Those people you sign up have to pass up their second sale. And when that second sale person comes up, they make their first sale, they keep it, and then guess what? They got to pass up their second sale too. So I got a whole nother pay line, and this just keeps repeating itself over and over and over. Okay, so this is how you can double your money with this little $250 one-time investment, no monthly fees. Okay, awesome. I mean, you gotta get this, you gotta check this out. So you can go to my site, www.mobilemarketing.ws, or call this number 239-579-3543. Let me show you the back office real quick. Okay, so in your back office, this is your dashboard. Right here, you'll see your balance. It comes with, 1,000 credits. Shows you, when you make a sale. It shows you your sign-ups, when people go in and create an account, or when people actually pay. It shows the interactions here, leads, your sales. And then, right here, if you come on down, this is where your number is, right here. If you come down where it says My Marketing Tools, there's a link. There's your website, and then there is your phone number that you can market to people. Okay, and then you go here to set up how you want to get paid any way you want. Okay, now when you're in your back office, you click on Profile and go right here, and it says Payment Methods. How do you want to get paid? PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Apple Cash, Bitcoin, Zelle, or credit card. Those are all the options. Simple as that. That's it. They kept it real simple, guys. Now, this is the website you're going to actually get from the company. This page right here, you see this video, I just showed you on this other marketing system. But if you come down, right here, you have your picture, your actual marketing number for MSB right here. So people will fill out this form, and this is how they'll sign up. But this other page I showed you previously is a marketing system, which is what you want, because you want to be able to capture your leads. If you give somebody your link, you want them to go to a capture page first. So let me show you what the capture page looks like. Okay, here's the page. It just so happens that my site is www.mobilemarketing.ws, and this page says mobile marketing. So see, it has a person with a cell phone here, new smartphone funnel, pays you daily. So you get this system. It already has the autoresponder included, all in one. These emails will follow with your prospects. You definitely want this, okay, so you can build your list. So if you want this system, go to www.mobilemarketing.ws, get the system. If you want to get started, go to that website as well. I'm going to be giving you guys some ads, some proven ads that I've been using. They've been proven to work even in other opportunities I've used them with. So make sure you get signed up with me, okay? All right, so if you're ready to double your money and make $200 commissions over and over and over, go ahead, get started. Let me put my number back up on the screen as well if you want to call that and test it out as well. Okay, 239-579-3543. You're going to love this system, guys. This little 60-second video is amazing. All right, thank you guys so much for checking out the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.